Want to know how Idaho state agencies manage their finances and workforce? Transparent Idaho makes it easy to explore each agency's data all in one place. Let's check it out. We'll start at Transparent Idaho homepage. To find state agency data, hover over the mega menu at the top of the page. This is your gateway to finding financial and workforce data for each agency. Here we are on the individual state agency search page. From here, you can quickly find any agency you're curious about. Let's take a look at the State Board of Education. And just like that, we're on the Board of Education's curated page. This page gives you access to everything you need to know: budgets, actual expenditures, employee pay rates, and much more. Want more information? We have additional reports that will take you out to an interactive reporting platform that allows you to filter and sort the data however you want. Transparent Idaho puts everything you need to know about state agencies at your fingertips. Easy to find, easy to understand. Ready to explore your favorite agency? Head over to transparent.idaho.gov and start your journey today. Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you'd like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.